जब तक सफल न हो तुम, तब तक नींद और चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर कभी न भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। My name is Madiha Khan and I'm going to be your host for this very enriching and transformative session that we are going to have over here. Today is very, very special because today is the 20th Banking and Financial Annual Conclave for Transformation, very proudly presented by ASSOCHAM, the Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. Today is very special because we mark 2 full decades of BFACT. We mark 2 full decades of bringing together policy makers, innovators, investors, NBFCs, fintech and thought leaders to come together and shape the very future of India's financial sector. This year, under a very, very powerful theme, resilience, innovation and inclusion, building a sustainable financial ecosystem for Viksit Bharat, we only go ahead and continue the legacy of bringing together people, opening dialogue for transformation so that we can shape a future for our nation which is ready for every kind of transformation and change that we want to accommodate. Now, I know that I just got started with the session and told a lot of things to you. So what I thought is that I'm going to sum up everything that I said with few lines by the very, very famous Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji. He very nicely quoted and put all of our thoughts when we talk about building our nation in these 4 lines. जब तक सफल न हो तुम, तब तक नींद और चैन को त्यागो तुम। जब तक सफल न हो तुम, तब तक नींद और चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर कभी न भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to call someone on stage who is a very seasoned banker with decades of experience across retail, commercial and leadership roles in some of India's most respected institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the Chairman, ASSOCHAM National Council for Banking and the MD and CEO of South India Bank. I want all of you to give a very warm applause as I welcome on stage Mr. P.R. Seshadri. Ladies and gentlemen, we are releasing the Knowledge Report. This is a space where we showcase the key highlights for BFACT every year. It's packed with insights and actionable ideas for the sector. And in order for the Knowledge Report to be released, I request all of the dignitaries on stage to please come forward and very literally release this Knowledge Report. And let's take a moment to meet all of our panelists. We have Mr. Sadaf Saeed, the co-chairman, ASSOCHAM National Council for NBFC and Green Financing, and the CEO of Muthoot Microfinance Limited. Mr. Tushar Vikram, the country head and CEO of Mashriq India. Mr. Anuj Kapoor, the MD and CEO Private Wealth and Alternatives, JM Financial Services Limited. Mr. Chitra J, the MD, Jacinth Finvest Limited. And Mr. Girish Vardarajan, the Chief Data and AI Officer of Innovati Technologies Private Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause for such a stellar lineup of panelists, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, over to you, Ms. Toral. Taking this moment to introduce to all of you our panelists for this session. We have Mr. Anand Rai Singhani, the CEO of Setu by Pine Labs. Mr. Sridhar Narayan, Chief Business Officer, Perfios Software Solutions. Mr. Rahul Jain, CFO, NTT Data, Payment Services India. And Mr. Avartan Boki, the Chief of Growth Business and Iron Mountain. Mr. Avartan Bokil. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for all of our panelists. Some really interesting discussions coming up. once again, thank you so much for being a part of such engaging sessions at BFAT 2026. We wish and we hope to see you next year with more enthusiasm, more innovations, and a lot more inclusivity having happened in the field of financial sector. My name is Madiha Khan, and this is me signing off. Thank you so much for having me as your host.